Ever wondered how data analysts turn raw numbers into powerful business decisions? In just 10 minutes, we'll show you the mindset and tools you need to think like a data analyst. From understanding the business problem to gathering and analyzing data, we break down each step in the process. You'll learn how to uncover hidden insights and make data-driven recommendations that drive success. Whether you're a data professional, business analyst, or just curious about the field, this video is packed with everything you need to know. Let's dive into the world of data analysis.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the journey from data to decision-making. Fellow knowledge seekers, data is all around us. It's in the air we breathe, the streets we walk, and the screens we gaze at. Like, it's seriously everywhere you look. From the apps on your phone to the traffic lights guiding your way, data is the invisible force shaping our world. And guess what? This data explosion is changing how businesses operate. Companies are no longer flying blind. They're navigating with precision. Think of data as puzzle pieces. Each piece holds a fragment of the bigger picture. Each piece, on its own, might not tell you much. It could be just a number or a statistic. But put them together, boom, you get a clear picture of what's happening. Suddenly, trends emerge, patterns form, and insights are revealed. That's where data analysts come in. They're the masterminds who piece together the puzzle. They're like data detectives, taking raw numbers and turning them into valuable insights. They sift through the noise to find the signal. Imagine trying to bake a cake without a recipe, right? Chaos. You'd end up with a mess instead of a masterpiece. Data analysis is like the recipe for business success. It provides the instructions and ingredients needed to achieve your goals. It helps companies understand their customers, improve their products, and make smarter decisions. By analyzing customer feedback, businesses can tailor their offerings to meet real needs. It's all about using data to make better choices and get better results. Data-driven decisions lead to more effective strategies and successful outcomes. Data analysis isn't just for big companies with fancy computers, it's for everyone. Small businesses, freelancers, and even hobbyists can benefit. Whether you're running a small business, working on a project, or just curious about the world around you, data can help you make smarter choices. It empowers you to see beyond the surface and understand the underlying dynamics. So, are you ready to unlock the power of data? Let's get started. Dive in, explore, and discover the endless possibilities that data has to offer. The future is data-driven and it's time to embrace it. First things first, before we dive into the world of spreadsheets and charts, we need to know what we're looking for. It's like setting out on a journey. You need a destination in mind. What's the problem we're trying to solve? This is the fundamental question that sets the stage for everything else. What questions do we need to answer? These questions will guide our investigation and help us stay focused. This is where we define the business problem. It's crucial to be as specific as possible. Let's say you own an awesome ice cream shop, lucky you. Your shop is known for its delicious flavors and friendly service. But lately you've noticed that sales have been a bit melty. That's your problem. Sales are not meeting expectations. Now we need to get specific. Is it all flavors? Just one location? Maybe it's a seasonal issue or a new competitor in town? Are customers not coming in as often, or are they spending less when they do come in? See, by asking the right questions, we can focus our data analysis and get to the root of the problem. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues. Defining the problem is like having a treasure map. It gives us direction and purpose. It tells us where we need to dig for insights. Without a clear problem definition, our efforts might be wasted. Without it, we're just wandering around in a data desert. So take the time to define your problem clearly. It will make all the difference in your analysis. Now that we know what we're looking for, it's time to gather some data. Think of data as clues scattered around your business. It could be anything: sales records, customer surveys, website traffic, social media engagement, you name it. Remember our ice cream shop? We might gather data on daily sales, customer feedback forms, and even the weather. The type of data you collect will depend on the problem you're trying to solve. But one thing's for sure, the more data you have, the better. But here's the thing, raw data can be messy. It's like a jumbled jigsaw puzzle. That's why we need to prepare the data before we can analyze it. Remember that messy data we talked about? It's time to roll up our sleeves and do some data cleaning. This is where we get rid of any errors, inconsistencies, or missing information that could mess up our analysis. Imagine trying to make sense of a recipe with ingredients missing or steps out of order. That's what analyzing dirty data is like. We might need to remove duplicate entries, fix typos, or fill in missing values. It's all about getting our data squeaky clean so we can trust our analysis. Data cleaning might not be the most glamorous part of the process, but trust me, it's crucial. Clean data equals accurate analysis, and accurate analysis equals better decisions. All right, data detectives, it's time to put on our analytical hats. We're about to dive deep into the world of data analysis, where every number tells a story and every pattern reveals a hidden truth. Now that our data is all cleaned up, we can start looking for patterns, trends, and insights. And guess what? This is where the magic happens. We've got some awesome tools to help us out. These tools are like our secret weapons, enabling us to dig deeper and uncover the stories hidden within the data. Think of these tools as our magnifying glasses and fingerprint kits. They help us zoom in on the details and identify the unique characteristics of our data. We can use spreadsheets to organize and sort our data, visualization tools to create charts and graphs, and even more advanced software to do some statistical heavy lifting. Each tool has its own strengths and can provide different perspectives on the same data set. The tools we use will depend on the type of data we have and the questions we're trying to answer. Whether it's simple or complex, qualitative or quantitative, there's a tool designed to help us make sense of it all. But the goal is always the same, to uncover hidden relationships and insights within our data. By doing so, we can make informed decisions, predict future trends, and ultimately drive success in our projects and businesses. So, let's get started and unleash the power of analysis. Here's where the real magic happens. With our data organized and our tools ready, we can start analyzing. This is where we look for patterns, trends, and correlations that can help us understand what's going on. Remember our ice cream shop? By analyzing our data, we might find that chocolate ice cream sales always spike on Fridays, or that customer satisfaction dips when it's super hot outside. These are valuable insights. Data analysis helps us connect the dots and see the bigger picture. It's like putting together a puzzle and finally seeing the complete image. Okay, so we've analyzed our data and uncovered some awesome insights. Now what? This is where we turn those insights into actionable recommendations. It's time to tell our story with data. We need to clearly and concisely communicate our findings to the decision makers. And the best way to do that is through compelling visualizations like charts, graphs, and dashboards. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? But it's not just about presenting pretty pictures. We need to explain what the data means, why it matters, and what actions the business should take based on our findings. Remember, even the most brilliant data analysis is useless if it's not communicated effectively. We need to tell a story with our data, one that's easy to understand and inspires action. Think of yourself as a translator, bridging the gap between the data and the decision makers. Use simple language, avoid technical jargon, and focus on the so what. What do our findings mean for the business? How can we use this information to make better decisions? Clear communication is key to ensuring that our data insights are heard, understood, and acted upon. After all, that's the whole point of data analysis. And there you have it. We've traveled from raw data to actionable insights, and we've seen how each step plays a crucial role in the process. By embracing data analysis, businesses can make better decisions, improve their operations, and gain a competitive edge. Remember our ice cream shop? By analyzing their data, they might discover that introducing a new summer flavor or offering discounts on scorching hot days could boost sales. That's the power of data-driven decisions. Data analysis isn't just a trend, it's the future of business. So let's embrace the power of data and make smarter decisions together. In today's fast-paced world, data is more important than ever. Companies that embrace data analysis have a significant advantage. They can adapt to changing market trends, understand their customers better, and make smarter decisions faster. Think about it. From personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming platform to self-driving cars, data is changing the world around us. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities of data analysis are limitless. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. Data analysis isn't just for mathematicians or computer whizzes, it's a skill that anyone can learn. All it takes is curiosity, a willingness to learn, and a love for uncovering hidden patterns. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of data analysis today. There are tons of online resources, courses, and communities that can help you get started. Who knows, you might just discover your new passion. Thinking like a data analyst is all about curiosity, analysis, and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.